Now we will learn how to position this equipment. There are different methods of positioning that equipment. The first method is to click on that equipment, select that and click on positions, explicit. Now I will give any coordinates to it, east, north or down. That it is at east 0 0 means at east origin. I will move it to east by 1 meter, then I have to click 1000 and apply this, and it is at east. I can check it from top view, plan north. This is like this. If I move it to east by 5000, it will move at east 5000 like this. The second method is modify position relative. Now CE vessel, and I can change it with respect to world or with respect to, I can change the current element by dish and change it with respect to vessel. The current element is dish. Now with respect to dish 1 is the current element. Now I have to change it with respect to cylinder. I have to change it through north by 5000 let, then I will apply this. It will change by north 5000 through this cylinder. So this is the second method of positioning any equipment. Now the third method is using of element command. Then position explicit, where it was origin, we can click it P point, also any pick point, and move that point to here and apply this. It will be, if we check here, the dish will be created at this point only. If we change the pick point to this, like if I change the pick point of dish, then we can rechange it also. Now I have to undo that. This is use of undo command. Now other methods, we can also position it by moving it through any distance, like in direction north, distance 1000, I can move it. These are different ways of positioning any equipment. We can position by dragging it at a distance or equipment point at explicit. We can pick any point and give it the explicits, like I have to move it to east 2000, then I can apply that, I can move it. Now these are the all methods of positioning any equipment. When we will use it, we will choose the easiest method. The one last method left of positioning any element is through command. First of all, I have to display the command line, and I will go by the direction south, the distance 2000, and it will go to south by 2000. I have to refresh the views by zoom and raw list, and it will be moved. This is the way of positioning any element.